This is a 1975 Evinrude 25 horsepower outboard. I just picked this up after getting refurbished at Bi-State Marine in Erie, Michigan. There's a guy there named Dennis who's been working on these since apparently he was 10 years old. The problem I had was the choke and the throttle weren't connected correctly. So you can see how pulling the choke closes the butterfly valve there behind the silencer and opens a little bit up here. You can see what happens with the cam follower. Oops, get focused there. So it's not choked, it's all the way up against there. To start it, advance it just a little bit. Doesn't really move that much the way he has it set. So this is low idle, and this is advance to start. You can see the two notches right up here where the cam follower lines up with. Okay. So again, if you pull the choke, it doesn't really advance any further. Cam follower is not really touching that. Push the choke back in. There you go. So here's how all the bits and pieces connect. On the side here of the carburetor, here's the way he has the low speed needle attached. He didn't leave me any room to turn this. It's kind of stuck there. I had read online that you should be able to change this a little bit to get the proper RPMs. Again, here's the choke valve connection set up correctly. So pull the choke, push off. I noticed when I tried to start it, I fouled the plugs. I didn't think I had the choke pulled too long. I just pulled it, started it, and pushed it right in, but that was enough to foul one of the plugs. And as I was motoring around, I was only running on one cylinder, so I think in the future I won't use the choke very much. Something I'll need to learn about. There are really no connections on this side. All the work is done over here. So there's the way to connect the cam follower to that piece there, and then the throttle linkage connected to the choke valve. Notice inside here, when it's not choked, that butterfly valve is open about that much. That's approximately how much that's open there. And when I pull the choke, it seals that completely. Push it open there. There you go.